How to fix hotspot not working in Samsung F36. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, here you can see the option connections. Now click on it and then click on while hotspot and tethering. Now here you can turn on your hotspot. After turn on your hotspot, then check your internet connection works properly or not. After check your internet connection, then scroll down and click on software update, and then here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on general management and scroll down and click on reset. Now click on reset all settings and click on reset settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.